Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Astronori for another video. Today we're actually doing a spontaneous hidden in the mist looking ass video because there was a pair of Jordan 1s that actually released today on Saturday. This video might be coming out Sunday, my bizzle, but they released yesterday and I managed to get my hands on a pair to show you guys. And I do want to go ahead and talk about it real quick, just let you know my first reactions, what I feel about this shoe. Unfortunately, I can't try it on because this isn't my pair, but I did still want to cover it for you guys. Nike Air on the box, nothing special with this Jordan box. It is a size 8.5. You do have the sticker down here as usual. Open this lid up. And then here you have the Jordan 1 shadows in the 2.0 version. I'm gonna go ahead and get these out the box and I'll talk about them a little bit more in detail. So I'm sitting here trying to figure out how I feel about these sneakers in person. As you can tell by the colors, the gray is a little bit lighter than the OG shadows, which I do own by the way. So I don't think that this is a sneaker that I personally need in my collection. I am gonna say, if you don't have the shadow 1.0s and you're able to get these for a decent price, hey, go for it. To be honest, any outfit that you feel like you're gonna pull off with the shadow Jordan 1s, you definitely can pull it off with these as well. It's pretty much the same shit. I've been seeing that a lot of people don't f with the material on these, and I kind of see why they're saying that. The leather on the toe box isn't really all that tumbled. It's more like a smooth, flat ass leather. So if you love the tumbleness on Jordan 1s, maybe this isn't for you. I do feel like the color blocking on this is A1, and if I would have hit on these for retail, I possibly would have kept these in the collection. This material appears almost like a suede-ish material. It doesn't feel like anything premium that Jordan brand has been doing. I do like them though in general. I feel like the black and gray is just a color combination that no matter what you do with the sneaker is gonna look nice simply because of the colors, bro. Like, black and gray matches with any color that you can possibly match it with, and I feel like these definitely could have been worse. The black with the gray on them is fire. This is almost like a leathery material, and it's almost like a nubuck around the toe box. So that's one thing that I want to talk about, is the fact that the materials on this aren't up to par. Retail is probably gonna dip down because a lot of people who are OG sneakerheads and do care about the way that they look and feel are probably gonna sell them just simply because they're not gonna rock them. But a lot of people who just care about the colorways, it's solid, bro. It's just not gonna beat the OGs. That's just never the case. I feel like if I had these and I owned the shadow ones, I'd wear those every single time before I wear these. So it just doesn't make sense to get these. I just wouldn't wear them. I barely wear my shadow ones. It sounds crazy, but it's true. I barely wear them shits, and I feel like if I had these, I would go with my shadow ones every time. So if you own the shadows, I don't recommend you to buy these. But if you don't have the shadows and you can get these for retail or something close and aren't trying to pay shadow prices, I feel you, because every outfit you could pull off with those, you can literally duplicate with these. I just feel like for me, I'm an OG sneakerhead, so I'd much rather have the shadows. These are solid nonetheless though. Go ahead and check them out because they are still low on resale. These are gonna go up as time passes. This is pretty much like the shattered backboard 2.0. Literally, it's almost the same identical situation, because on the OGs, they had the same style as the shadows. Then on the 2.0s, they had like this reversed style on it. So I just looked at the size tag for these and it actually says that the gray is a light smoke gray. I don't have my shadow ones with me right now, but I can almost guarantee that this is lighter than the OG shadows. So that might be what's throwing me off, but I don't know. These just almost look like a kid sneaker trapped in a men's shoe body, I guess, if that makes sense. But these are kind of hard nonetheless. They do come with the gray replaceable laces. I feel like that might be the pop of color that you're looking for. Personally, I would leave it with the black laces. That is just me. If you don't have the 1.0s, like I was saying before, this is a solid pickup. These are gonna go up and resell as time goes on simply because of the colors. With colorways like these, like if these were black and red in the same layout, they would still sell out just simply because of the colorway. So that's the same thing that's gonna happen with these sneakers right here. Solid sneaker nonetheless, and I honestly regret not going for them, but I'm on a bigger mission right now. I need these Amamanier Jordan 3s. So that pretty much does it for this video. I'm gonna give you guys a little close-up real quick. You got that Nike Air on the inside right there, black on the outsole, a regular white color on the midsole. You have that light smoke gray around the collar and along the toe box as well. Then you have this flat black, almost like a flat ass looking ass leather. I'm trying to tell y'all, there's nothing special about it. It looks like the suede will get hit with something and it'll just scratch up. Definitely not a lot of quality behind these, but beautiful looking sneaker. nonetheless. Let me know what y'all thought about this shoe in the comments below. I feel like it's a solid pickup if you don't have the Shadow 1's OG status. These are the 2.0s, and as time goes on, these definitely will go past the $300 price point. Right now, I think they're sitting at $260-ish. Orders still haven't came in. This video low-key has to go out tomorrow or Monday, so make sure you stay tuned for that. More content on the way as well. Let me know what y'all thought about these, man. There's been a bunch of Jordan 1s releasing, and I definitely feel like this isn't the best one, but hey, it's another solid colorway that you cannot go wrong with. But that pretty much does it for this video, man. Let me know what y'all thought in the comments below. Are these top 10 Jordan 1s of this year? Hey, let me know. There's low-key hell of them releasing. A lot of them still haven't even released, but I feel like it's a solid contender. Probably like a 6th, 7th spot for me for Jordan 1s this year. Let me know what y'all thought about this video by leaving a like on it down below if you did enjoy. Comment what are some releases that you're looking forward to. Also, subscribe to the channel while you're down there, man. It definitely does mean the world when y'all show love. But with all that being said, I think I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.